At the flea market, I found a whole bag full of headphones. They cost almost nothing, and I decided to buy them. But when I got home and tested them, I found they all had damaged cables. The cables are broken here where the jack connects. So today I'm going to show you a very easy and simple method to repair headphone jacks that isn't very pretty, but it's free and it works. First, you need to remove the plastic insulation of the connector. Then cut the broken part of the cable. Then you need to carefully solder the remaining solid part of the cable. Most headphone connectors are made for single use, so we cannot restore the plastic housing, but we can hot glue it. And that's it, the headset is working again. It's a bit ugly, but it's fully functional.